Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my WatchGang Black membership watch from June. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing, if it would focus, my Swatch Neon Rider. This is just a retro, cool, fun watch. Although one of my subscribers had mentioned to be extremely careful because they scratch easy. Not gonna lie, the crystal on this sounds about like those bubble prize toys that you would get out of the quarter machine. So I need to do a follow-up or an actual review on the two swatches I've got. If you guys are interested, let me know. And guys, always check the notes below. There's promo codes and discount codes and a link to sign up to WatchGang. If you're unfamiliar with WatchGang, I don't know how. It's a monthly subscription company that's been around for a long time. I'm probably the craziest person that has been subscribed for the longest. I only subscribe to the black tier level, which is the, well, for me, I was grandfathered in to the $100 tier level. And I actually knew this was going to be an odd as just by that part number there. So mine is the $100 tier level subscription, although it is now $150 if you were to sign up new. Now, I've had some watches from them in the past and actually got to review a few that I have really liked. So let's take a little bit closer look. Now, it looks like we're kind of a standard looking watch. I do kind of like the waves in the dial. My lighting's making it a little hard to tell. I can't really tell if it's green or if it's black. It's not a bad looking watch. I wish the bracelet was more than just a stamped steel. Although I've said many times, everyone complains about the stamped steel. I myself have never actually had an issue with one of these, but you know, to get a little bit nicer bracelet is always nice. Let's pull some plastics off here. All right. And honestly, anymore, I've been moving more and more away from bracelets. I really like a nice strap. I've really enjoyed a lot of the silicone straps. They're just so comfortable and make a watch so much lighter. Yeah, it takes away some of the dressiness, you know, but this is a fairly standard looking bracelet. This design's been around for a long time. I feel like they could have done a little bit better there. Overall, it actually doesn't look too bad. Let's see, can we see on the back? Looks like we got sapphire crystal. It's a cave diver, 200-meter water resistance. This one's a quartz. So it's nice that it's got sapphire crystal. Would be nicer if it was an automatic, right? But at that $100 black tier level, there's a lot of quartz in that range. I generally don't have an issue with quartz. That one doesn't look too bad on wrist. Looks like I'd probably be removing 3 lengths and probably using some micro adjustments for it to fit my roughly 7-inch wrist. Overall, not too bad for my June subscription watch. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.